Welcome. In front of me is HP ProBook 450, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset on this laptop. So the first thing you have to do is open the Start menu. From here go to the Settings, then open Update and Security Settings, and then select Recovery tab. And right here you'll have to select Get Started to begin the factory reset process. Right now you can either choose to keep your files on your PC, which will be more of a settings reset than a factory reset, so everything will stay the same after this kind of reset. Now remove everything is the option we're looking for, so proceed with this one if you want to remove everything from your PC. Now you should select if you want to download Windows from the cloud or reinstall it locally from the files you have on your PC. So if the files on your PC are not corrupted, then it will be much quicker and convenient for you to use the second option. However, the first one will give you the clear new copy of the Windows, but it will also take a longer period of time. So let's go ahead with the local reinstall, and also let's change some settings. So right here we can either choose to clean data, and or to clean the drive completely, making it almost unable to recover files from your device. I suggest you go with the yes option if you want to clear your device completely, but I will go with no because I just don't want this video to be that long. Now you can also choose if you want to download Windows from this device or you want to download and reinstall Windows. I will go with the first option, but you can choose whatever you like the most. Click confirm, then click next, and wait for a while until Windows gets things ready and starts the factory reset process. Now, as you can see, resetting will remove all the personal files and accounts on this PC. Remove all the changes in the settings, remove all absent programs, and reinstall Windows. Okay, right now click reset and wait for your device to start a factory reset process. Sometimes it may take up to several hours, but I hope this one will take about half an hour for me. So click reset and just wait for your device to restore to factory settings. And once this screen appears on your display, that means that reset is complete, and that means that it's all for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, let us know about it in the comments. Consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. See you next time.